Right, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can factory reset your PlayStation to be able to sell. So first things first, we want to go and make sure that saved data has been uploaded to your PlayStation account. Once you've done that, you should be all set to go, but just make sure before you reset your PlayStation that you have all the details necessary to be able to restore it onto a different PlayStation if need be. To be able to now factory reset it, we have to come down all the way down to initialization, and when we click that down to initialize PS4, once we're there, we have two options, quick and full. I would personally recommend doing full. Yes, it'll take longer, but it's just the best one if you're going to be wanting nobody to be able to gain access to your information once you've restored it. After this process, it will deactivate each user's primary PS4 account that is on here. Once the initialization begins, it will delete all the users, restart, and begin the initialization. Once this process has begun, it does take a very long time, so just make sure you guys are plugged into a reliable power source. For me, it took about 3 hours, but for you it may vary. Cheers!